episode of JDM for All, and in today's video, guys, I'm going to be doing a huge mod to this LEXUS IS. I'm extremely excited about this, and I was talking about it a little bit, guys, so if you saw the video about the huge mod to this LEXUS IS, this is it, guys. I'm actually getting a carbon fiber hood. Well, I already have it. It is in my house right now. And as you can see, I do have my hood wrapped. It is wrapped in Vivid Tech Art vinyl, and it looks really good. And obviously, this is not carbon. This is nowhere near carbon. It is a good substitute. It does look great, but I think the real thing, a real carbon fiber hood will look awesome, guys. So that is what the hood looks like, guys. We are about to get rid of this hood. And so I have my hood popped already. So basically, I'm going to take off the heat shield insulator in here, and I'm going to also take off the clips right here for the window sprayers. Going to get those off, and the clips right there for the actual sprayers, and then I'll start working on getting these taken off. These are the struts. I did buy this heat shield. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this, or I don't know if this is actually going to fit onto the hood. I don't know if I even want this on the hood. So I definitely do want to protect the new carbon fiber hood. I actually bought it for over $1,000, and I would like to take care of it and protect it. This stuff was $20 for 3 foot by 4 foot or something like that. And so I bought 2 of them. I have one right there, and I have one right here inside this box right here. So basically, guys, I'm not sure if I'm going to use those, or I might use the stock heat shield. Not sure, but this car is turboed, and turbo's right down there. And I really don't want to damage the new carbon fiber hood from the heat of the turbo. Basically, this car is awesome. I love this car. I think it's going to look so good with the carbon fiber hood. This is what it looks like, guys. This thing is awesome. I love this car. I wish I had better lighting in here. I definitely need better lighting. Back there, it is super bright. Up here with the hood up, it is a little dark, so this isn't the best place to record at, but it is freezing outside and it's raining, and this is the worst time to possibly install this hood or get the hood, but I really want to install it. So yeah, I'm going to get started. I'm going to start taking off the clips on here. Basically just going to take off all the stock clips on this hood to get to these windshield sprayers, and I'll work from there, and I'll be right back. Alright, guys, so we are back. I went to lunch real quick, took a little break. It was actually pretty difficult to take off these little clips in here. Those little clips. Took out that one, took out this one. There was another one over there, and 2 more over there. I took all of those off, and I just unplugged this right here. So all I have to do basically is take off the hood, and I don't think I'm going to take this off because it was a big hassle. I don't really want to deal with that. So I'm going to take off the original hood, and I'm going to stand it up against something and try to get the rest out, because it is really hard to get under here. There is a space where I can get under here and get these clips. There's one more left that I have to get, and after I get that one off, I'll be able to take this out. And I actually checked out the clips for I actually checked out the little sprayer nozzles, and they look like they'll fit on my original hood, or on the carbon fiber hood. And these hood props, these strut little clips that go in right here, they look like they'll fit perfect in the carbon hood as well. So I'm very happy, very excited, guys. I'm really happy I took a break, because that was actually pretty frustrating trying to get those clips out right there. So guys, I'm going to take off this hood right now, and then I'll be back. Alright, so now we have the hood off. It is completely off. Here are the hinges. This is looking good. So now basically all I need to do is wrap the hood with the heat shield right over here. I'm going to wrap it up a little bit, and it's looking really good. Actually looks really cool without a hood. That's what the LEXUS looks like. Here's the original hood. So I'm going to take off this last windshield sprayer hose. I believe it's just one more clip. Feels like there's only one more clip. I believe yeah, there's one more clip right here, and I'll be able to take this whole thing out, and I'll be back, and I'll show you guys what I'm doing with the heat shield right after this. All right, guys, so if you guys remember, I do have, well, I ordered 2 of these heat shield wraps, and they're basically like 3 by 4 foot. I only needed 2, I don't know why, or I only needed 1, I don't know why I ordered both. They were $20 each on Amazon, and basically it's like a big sticker with foil on the front and fiberglass on the inside. If you can see it right there, it's pretty cool. So this is the finished product, guys. I think it looks really good. It does, I think it will protect it very well. So this hood basically has fiberglass on the inside right here and a bunch of holes like that right there. And the stock hood is basically designed the same way, but it has this heat shield to block it and block any heat going through the holes. So basically what I did was I covered all of those holes, and I just made sure that none of the heat will actually really, for the most part, pass this fiberglass and go to the carbon on the other side. So this heat shield should do a pretty good job. Obviously, it's not going to protect the carbon completely, but it's a nice little layer just to help and to give me a little peace of mind. And I cut a little hole for the manufacture date right there. I think it looks pretty good, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Has a little Cybon badge right there, genuine Cybon product, awesome. So I'm going to take this off for the hood latch, and I'm going to take these wood pieces off. And oh, so not only that, guys, I cut the holes for the windshield wiper sprayers right there and right there, and they fit perfectly through. And I don't even have to cut anything, which is really cool. So I'm going to show you guys. Actually, I'll pop it in real quick. So the wiper sprayer is right here, and it's right there. You probably can't see it. And then it goes all the way over here. I don't know what I'm going to do about this. I'll do something, not sure. And then it goes in here, and it's right there as well. So all I have to do now, guys, is put this hood on, take off these wood pieces, and plug this in. And it is basically done. I'm so excited. I don't think I have to cut anything. I could be wrong, but I test fitted the struts real quick before I left for lunch, and they fit really good in here. And yeah, guys, I'm super excited. So let's get this thing installed. All right, guys, I am so excited. I'm finally done. Everything is snugged. Nothing is totally tightened, but it looks really good. So basically, this is a stock clip right here. This is where it was before, and there's a clip just hanging right here. And then I did another clip in here. I just put it in here, and it kind of hangs and holds on really well. And then all of the sprayer nozzles are back on, guys. Everything's looking really good, and this is what the bottom of the hood looks like. This is looking amazing, guys. Man, I'm so happy. So right now, guys, this is the first time I am going to see it actually closed, and I'm so excited. You want to do the honors? Pull it. Let's see it, guys. Let's see it. Go, go, go. Boom! Look at that. Oh, that's amazing. Genuine Cybon product. Awesome. All right, so the heat shield looks great. I'm definitely happy about that, guys. Now it's time to close the hood for the first time. Let's make sure there's no tools under here, because I don't want to crush my hood. And I'm going to close it really slow as well, because I do not want to crush the carbon, have something rub on a fender or something. All right, let's go, guys. Let's see how it looks. I'm actually really nervous. Okay, I'm not going to pull from the side over there. All right, here we go, guys. Oh man, my hands are really dirty. I feel bad touching this hood. Okay, let's see. There's a big gap over here. Wow, there's a pretty big gap over here. I think I'm going to have to fix that. Wow, it looks amazing, guys. Oh yeah, and there is a small gap over here. I'm definitely going to need to pull it a little bit to the side. But yeah, wow, guys. Look at that hood. That is amazing. That is definitely a $1,000, over a grand upgrade. This is definitely a grand upgrade, guys. Look at that. Wow, that carbon fiber looks amazing. I cannot believe how good it looks. Definitely looks good. One of the best things to have carbon fiber, I think, is the hood or trunk, because It just looks amazing. Not only do you lose a little bit of weight, at least with this hood, because my original hood was aluminum, so it is already a pretty light hood, but look at that. So I'm going to adjust it a little bit. I'll try to fix it up a little bit, and then I'll be back and I'll show you guys the finished product closed. Alright guys, and this is the finished product. I am super happy with this. It looks amazing, and yeah, definitely worth it. I think it came out amazing, and I'm really liking the look. It is a little low on the sides. I think I could fix that with the bumper stops under the hood, but otherwise, it is amazing. The fitment is pretty good as well. Ooh, look at that shot. Oh, that is amazing. I kept trying to adjust it to get these lines a little better. This line is not even bad, but it is a little tiny bit different. It is a little different from the other side, but otherwise, guys, I am super happy with this. I cannot believe I have a Saban hood on my Lexus IS, and she looks amazing. If it wasn't raining, I would take her out and get some shots, take some pictures, and wash and wax her. I really want to wash her, and I'm going to have to do that sometime soon, but for now, guys, this has been the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please do not forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Look out for more videos on this Lexus IS, because I have another mod coming. It's not as big as this one, obviously, but it's still pretty good. So, alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.